Hi everyone, I'm William.
And I'm Gavin, and this is MHN.
One time like this, make it pop like this, make it not like this, make it drop.
Welcome back to Season 7. We have some announcements to start off today's episode.
October 18th is National Coming Out Day. You don't have to be a member of the LGBTQ community. You can also come out as an ally and support your friend. October 18th is also the next Saga meeting. Contact Mrs. Adams if you are interested in coming. The next International Club meeting will be October 25th at 2:15 in Mrs. Adams' room.
Picture Day is Friday, October 15th. All students will be required to have their picture taken for student ID and ASPN purposes. If you would like to purchase pictures, you may pick up an order form in the front office or you may order them online. Check your email for more information.
Come to Miss Lynn's room Wednesdays after school with a plan for movie club. We will meet every other Wednesday at 2:15. Stop by for a permission slip and help choose the next movie.
Our first segment this week is a new segment called Teacher Talk.
Welcome to Teacher Talk. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Hannah.
And in this segment, we're interviewing different Maynard high school teachers about their opinions on a variety of topics.
So what is your favorite Thanksgiving memory, or what's the funniest Thanksgiving memory?
The funniest is probably the year that I went to go buy a turkey from Bob's Turkey Farm. And I just picked it up, and then I was driving by all these turkeys, like looking out at their cousin going by in my car. And then I cooked them.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
My favorite Thanksgiving food definitely has to be mashed potatoes. My mom used to make them, just throw salt and butter in there. Not really the healthiest thing, but they're absolutely delicious. So always look forward to those on Thanksgiving.
All right, so what's your favorite football team?
Actually, growing up in Connecticut, I was a Giants fan.
Yeah.
So I grew up rooting for the Giants, unfortunately. But I don't really follow it all that closely anymore.
Do you like pumpkin spice? Why or not?
No.
No?
I do not like pumpkin spice. And that's just because it's not something I've grown around.
Yeah.
So in Russia, all those fall flavors that you're talking about, candles, latte, pumpkin spice, nada. Not happening. Even Halloween was not a thing when I was growing up. So we really did not have as many fall flavors there.
Wow, some pretty interesting interviews. I learned some new things about our teachers.
Next, we tee up our next segment, Guys Going Golfing.
Buzz, me and Joseph here, and Charlie behind the camera, created a new segment this year called Guys Going Golfin. Today, unfortunately, we could not hit the links, but later. So today we got a nice little par 4 down the staircase. We're playing a little mini golf indoor. We had to improvise. Come with me. You come down there on a nice little island green. Let's get her going. Still roll a little bit.
Senior score set. We got a little par 4. Little win. So good though.
She's going.
It's gonna be a little bit of a squeeze trying to knock this one in, but.
As you can see, I'm in a little bit of a pickle. So, let's rock it in.
So a little bit of building here. I'm a righty. This is not fit for a righty. So we're gonna have to go lefty, ambidextrous. Oh!
next week for Guys Going Golfin.
Very creative way to spend a free period.
Let's sauce it over to Takeout Tuesdays.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of Takeout Tuesday with Mikey and Brie. Today we're going to be reviewing El Hupil downtown Maynard. Okay, Mikey, so what are we going to be trying first?
So first we're going to be trying chips and salsa.
Alright, let's do it. So at El Hupil, they have homemade chips and salsa that everyone gets first. So let's give it a try. Personally, I'm not like the biggest salsa fan, but we'll try a little bit.
I like it. I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Well, obviously I love chips, so I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Although I'm not a fan of salsa, so I'd give it like the salsa like a solid 7 out of 10.
Alright, Brianna, what do we have next after having the wonderful chips and salsa?
Alright, so next up we got our chicken and cheese quesadilla and your burrito.
Steak burrito.
So, first bite, guys.
Wait, I have to open mine.
Let's do a little reveal. Looks like this. It's really good. All right, Mikey, what's next on the agenda?
So next we have the El Hupil house rice.
Oh.
And so I've heard it's very good, so let's try it.
Wow, we're eating these with forks, guys. Okay, so first bite. I love rice. Like, rice lovers, if you like rice that's not traditional, but it's not boring either, this is for you. All right, Mikey, so what's our last thing of the night?
I don't know, I'm really full. Do you know?
I do know. Actually, we're having churros. Yeah. So, personally, I've never tried a churro from El Hupil. So, this is going to be a first timer for me. So, let's try them out, Mikey.
This is the presentation in the box.
Looks like this. Got some sugar on it.
I like it.
It kind of tastes like fried dough.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you go to a carnival and you get fried dough. That's exactly what this tastes like.
These taste like the one I had in Florida.
Oh, really? That's so fun. Well,
I give these a 10 out of 10.
Solid 10 out of 10. All right, guys. Well, that was this week's episode of Takeout Tuesdays with Mikey and Brie. So we'll see you next time. And remember to vote for which restaurants you want to see us go to next.
You hear that, Will?
What?
My stomach. It's growling.
Hopefully we get invited to one of those.
Hopefully.
We now send it over to Joey with Maynard's funniest home videos.
Hello and welcome to Maynard's Funniest Home Videos. I'm Joey Brown, and in this new MHN segment, we'll be looking at Maynard's Funniest Home Videos. If you want to submit a video, there will be a link in the description. Our first video has Daniel Terrell being attacked by a dog while he fends it off with a chair. Our next video, we have Marissa Lawton doing, I'm not exactly sure what she was doing, but she ends up spitting water on herself while lying on a bed. And in our final video, we have Ryan McLaughlin going down a water slide when he's 13. Make sure your volume's up.
You got it. He's like, please don't turn green. Please don't turn green. Break, break.
Wow, what a great new segment.
Our final segment of the week is a hot new show, Funky Monkey.
Are you a funky monkey? You're just the man for the job.
a lone wolf. Always have been. Always will be. I was born in the streets. Nobody could tell me. Right now, of all the times I could monologue, it's right now. Hello?
Ringtailed, I'm giving you a partner. Well, really? You're his partner. But we won't get into that.
What?
Anyway, I sent you the file, so good luck.
Wait a minute. No, don't. He hung up on me. Dang stupid phone. Alright, here's the details, monkey. Sorry. Basically, Funkey is apparently a pirate selling bootleg DVDs in the premises. Or rather, we need to stop him. It's not like I want to work with you anyways, but right now I have no choice. You serious? Like that's gonna... Well, I guess that could work.
Huh, there's a pirate around? Like one of those Coke and eye patch wearing pirates? Yeah. Haven't seen one.
Endgame? Avengers Endgame? Metamorphosis? Psycho? American Psycho?
Poop and fart. No, haven't seen him.
What? No, go away.
No. God, I'm gonna go insane! Tommy Boy, Forrest Gump, Megamind, Iron Man. Hello?
Good job today, fellas. Just for that, you're getting a raise.
You're not so bad to work with after all.
Wow, that sure was a great episode, wasn't it, Stack?
I agree. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you join us next week for episode 3.
As always, stay fierce, Maynard.